Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be going over how to cook rice. What you'll need to start off with is a pot and some water. General rule of thumb is we want to do 2 cups of water per 1 cup of rice. So when you start off, you want to get the water, put it in the pan, and get it to a boiling point before you put the rice in. While you're waiting for it to heat up, you can put in whatever seasoning you want. I like to put in garlic salt in my rice when I'm cooking it for the flavor, and I tend to put in a good amount of butter as well. Butter and the salt give it a good amount of flavor for me at least. So at the point when it starts boiling, you want to go ahead and put in your rice. So in this particular instance, I am putting in 1 cup of rice, the 2 cups of water that I had put in previously for it to boil. Before I put the rice in, I do want to put in the butter. Once we do that, we go ahead and stir it in, get all the grains of rice that we can out of the measuring cup. And then from there, we'll go ahead and stir it a little bit more. And then we cover it and put the setting of the fire on low. And while it's on low and we have it covered, we let it sit there for about 30 minutes.
30 minutes later.
And after 30 minutes, we have our rice here. If we open the lid, we will see that the rice is cooked thoroughly. Now you can put more butter on it if you want, or you can add additional things to it for better flavors, or to mix it up, you can add anything you want to this, like meat, vegetables, shrimp, whatever you want it to go with the rice here, you can go ahead and add here afterwards. And for dinner, for this meal, I decided to cook my rice with chicken and Brussels sprouts. Yum!